A/B split testing lets you test different versions of your ads so you can see what works best and improve future campaigns. For example, A/B split testing allows advertisers to easily test the same ad on two different audiences to see which audience performed better. Advertisers use split testing to interpret how changes in different variables might impact their ad success. Remember, test one variable at a time. Think back to your high school biology class. To test a hypothesis, you tested a control group against an independent variable group. So first, let's look at A/B split testing at the ad set level. So first, choose your marketing objective. Let's just use traffic ads. Continue. Now there's two ways to split test your ad sets. First is to completely create this ad as normal. Second is to use the create multiple new ad sets. Let me show you the first way. Let's just create an ad as normal. So scroll through. Let's leave the default audience just for ease here. Everything default, 18 to 65, no detailed targeting. Continue. Single image. Just CourseEnvy.com as our URL. And let's place order. Now go back to your Ads Manager page. Ads Manager. So let's select that ad we just created and go to the ad set level. So here's that singular ad set we created, and create another ad set for this campaign. So this will be the split test. So everything stays the same except for a single variable. So for this one, my single variable will be age. Let's change this to 25. Again, it can be anything: languages, location, detailed targeting. This is why some of my split tests are very large. I can split test many variables and identify which one's doing the best according to the metrics I'm seeking: low cost per click, conversions, sales, and so on. So scroll down, let's continue, and then create the exact same ad. Remember, we're splitting at the ad set level, not at the ad level. So scroll down, same ad. CourseEnvy.com again, okay. And place order. So now we've created a split test at the ad set level for age. That was our single variable test. We have the control group and then the independent variable test of age. So when we come back to our Ads Manager, so select that campaign, then go to the ad set level, and here you go. You can see two split test ad set levels. So we have the 18 to 25 and then the 18 plus. So now I let these split tests run for 3 to 7 days to see which one's delivering the results I want. Now the second way to split test at the ad set level is right here: create multiple new ad sets. So once we select create multiple new ad sets, we scroll down, we can select the things we want to split test. Add custom audience variation, 2 ad sets now. In my first ad set, I can target people who visited CourseEnvy.com/courses, and no custom audience in the second ad set. Keep scrolling. In this one, we can target the United States. This one, let's remove that and do India. So you can see the ad sets adding up here. 4 ad sets total now. You can add an age range variation. We can add a detailed targeting variation. So in this 7th ad set, we can target Udemy, as an interest. And in the 8th ad set, we can target Udemy, and narrow it even further with people who like Khan Academy. There's a great detailed targeting test for our 8th ad set. So you can see how this is a really quick way to create a ton of A/B split tests. So come down to the bottom here, and now you can do even distribution or balanced distribution. For a true A/B split test, I like to do even distribution. Just like my first example, I give this ad set $20, I give this ad set $20. It's a true split test. So click continue, and then set your budget for each ad set split test you created. And then we click continue, and then we set this singular ad. Remember, this is the variable we're keeping the same. We split test all these varying ad sets. So you don't want to split test a second variable, i.e. the ad. So just build this out. CourseEnvy.com, okay, and place order. Now we head back to Ads Manager, and here's all our varying ad sets. Now let's look at split testing at the ad level. So we've split on the ad set level, now let's split on the ad level. So traffic, continue. We don't want to split on the ad set level, so let's just create that singular thing we're targeting. So for this example, say I split test those 8 ad sets, and I identified India, 18 to 25, Udemy, and Likes Khan Academy is my cheapest cost per clicks and highest converting source for website traffic. So I want to use that ad set and now split test my ad level to further optimize this complete ad. So India, 18 to 25. Okay, we've created our ad set. Click continue. Now let's create an ad. CourseEnvy. And now place order. Now they offer a split test right after you create the ad. Duplicate ad. So try it now. So keep that same ad set. Yes, continue. Because we're split testing at this level. So I want to split test one variable at a time, again, at the ad level. New ad. So here, I could test a video instead. I could test a different image. I could test the text copy. For this one, I'll just split test at the image level. So delete that old image. Okay, we have a new image. Same page. Okay. Place order. Now back to your ads manager. Go to the ad set level. Notice we use the ad set we identified before by doing split testing. We identified India, 18 to 25, Udemy, and Khan Academy as their interest. So first identify the perfect ad set, then move on to split testing at the ad level to further optimize your complete campaign. So we go to the ads, and there you go. We're split test at the image level. So we can see which gets the better results. And depending on the metrics we're seeking, we can change what we're looking at. Delivery, engagement. We can customize the columns. If we had a link in one of them, we can look at clicks, link clicks, add that column. So as you've seen, there's multiple ways to create split tests. Whether it's when you're creating the ad itself or directly from your ads manager. So again, go to the campaign level. We have it selected, the campaign we want to create a split test in. So I'll go to the ad set level. I can either A, create a duplicate of this ad set and then make variations of it, or just click the create button. And now I'm creating a whole new ad set. Whereas if I duplicate this original ad set exactly. So create an entirely new ad set, duplicate it, and then you can tweak it. So look at this. Duplicate, original campaign, duplicate. So as you can see, we've created a duplicate ad set, exact same name, copy, so publish. We can close this. So we still have one campaign selected, the original campaign, traffic, but now there's two ad sets, and this is a direct copy. So I don't want to run the exact same copy, right? So I have that selected, edit. What is one variable I want to change? At the ad set level, we could direct it to a different custom audience, a different location, but obviously I want to change one thing, test one variable at a time. So as you can see, we have a few ways to perform these split tests. The way to look at the create button is to create an entirely new ad set variable. Same at the ad level. Create an entirely new ad. We can duplicate it and change one thing, or create an entirely new. So go back to the ad level, click create, and here we go. A brand new ad set for you to fill out as you wish and add to these existing two already. So then we would have 3 ad sets testing one variable each.